Here I have Crosscall Core M5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section, and here you can find Talkback. So here you can enable it, and after that Talkback tutorial.
Talkback on. Settings. Talkback.
So Talkback is a mode made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen. So for example, you tap Talkback, this button.
Use Talkback on switch in list. Double tap to activate.
So you select it and this action gets spoken out loud. And as you could also hear, to activate it you have to double tap anywhere on the screen like this.
Stop Talkback.
So for example, if you want to disable Talkback,
list.
you tap here, you tap stop,
Stop.
double tap, and that's how you can disable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.